everyone. Hello, how are you guys? So I'm officially coming back with a, I guess you could say cooking video. Not cooking because it's just like a basic recipe off of TikTok. If you guys hear a lot of noise in the background, that's like my mama. She's doing like her daily prayers. Ooh, I look mad ugly. You use this and then you just add the leche on it and make the frosting. So yeah, it's not gonna take long. Here is the cake. And now she said to to cut the crust off and then poke holes in it, because that's where the milk or the leche or whatever is gonna get soaked up in. So it could be tres leches. Y'all already know what's up, what's good. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so I cut the edges off. As you can see, it's a really crappy job. She started poking holes all over it, so that's what I'm gonna do right now.
But anyways, we'll come back after it's poked.
Does this look like I'm doing it right?
No.
What? Hers doesn't look like
Yeah, you didn't drink it. That's so much milk.
Well, she said to put like one and one. That did not happen. I think it needs more holes.
Girl, I think it needs more of a miracle.
So I just took her out the fridge and look, it's not like, it soaked it all up, all the liquid, all the leche, all the milk. So it's because it's been there for a couple hours, so it got time to soak up and, you know, get cool. So now I'm gonna frost it. It's all done in this beautiful form. It's ugly. How is it? Good. She doesn't want me to record her, but look at y'all. I haven't even tried it, but I cut it, you know, you can't even tell. Now I'm doing my makeup. I moisturized my face already and I put my mom's serum. Ooh, don't tell her. Oh, and I did my nails in the morning because they were looking really crusty, so I just like painted them, like filed them down, painted them. They're already chipping from like the very edge. I don't know if you guys could see that. I probably can. So okay, so I got ready now. I'm gonna film a fashion TikTok, so it should be up by the time this video is up on my YouTube channel, so definitely go take a look at it. So this is how my hair turned out. I don't know how I feel about it. It's like, I don't know, I feel like it could have came out better. Sorry for the lighting, it's ass, but whatever. So I thought there was a way to like DIY your own pink drink. Obviously it's not gonna be the same and it doesn't taste the same. So I'm gonna grab my mason jar and then I'm gonna put some ice in it, and then I'll show you the rest of the steps. This lighting is so ugly. Ew. It's by Ocean Spray's a white cran strawberry, and then we're gonna put some coconut milk in it. But what I found is that you have to shake the coconut very well before you open it and pour it. So first I'm gonna add my white cran spray to my mason jars. I find that I like more coconut milk in it than this, but first we're gonna shake it up because if not, it's gonna come out very weird. And that's what it should look like, kind of like a pink. I think I'm gonna end this video here because if not, it's gonna be too long. Thanks for watching this video. If you stayed till the end, till now, thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you for staying around and watching my videos, even though I don't upload as often as I should. I just enjoy doing this, so I'm gonna keep posting whenever I can. I'm active, very active on my Instagram and somewhat TikTok, so make sure you guys go follow me there as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. I don't know why I always move my head. I'm like, damn, like they summoning something or something. I don't know. Girl, okay, bye.